Hi friends, choosing a suitable WordPress theme for your website project is a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. Today I have a wonderful theme called Melania. Melania is a theme for handmade blog, craft shop, artistic WordPress theme, and the theme is developed by the Theme Racks, the most popular developers in the WordPress theme, and they are of course Power Elite authors. The theme is actually developed in 2016. It was developed in 16 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So if you have decided to make a blog website or shop website for handmade blog or handmade products, this video is for you, and this is going to be a very good catch for this purpose. And I'll take you to the demos of this theme. So these are some demos. In fact 6 demos are available, and this is the look of one of the demo. It is simple, aesthetic and clean design, and you can see the blog part of this website, and it is also very good. So category filtration is here, and shop portion is also here. So the basic idea behind this theme, to sell handmade products with the content marketing like thing, and that means write a blog and connect the blog and articles with the product, that is handmade product specifically, and you can sell the products online like a e-commerce website. So this is the complete business idea of Melania theme, and this is another look of full width plane. So it is also very good, and another demo. So since Theme Racks is a wonderful development house, and they develop very good things. You can see the number is connected, is yellow thread is connected below from this 3 to this 4, and it is something innovative design. So you cannot assume how wonderful your website is going to be with this theme. So just you can choose this theme and start putting your content and selling the products online, and this is of course a wonderful choice. So Pinterest option is also here, and this is about me page, and all pages are very good and aesthetically designed for handmade products and handmade blog. So in this video we are going to install Melania handmade blog, craft shop, artistic WordPress theme, and a fresh installation of WordPress with the latest version. And I have the theme pack. In the theme pack I got licensing, documentation, the main theme file and the child theme file. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. Go to the theme section of WordPress. I assume you have already installed the WordPress in the latest version. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file. You have to select melania.zip here, and I also believe that you have the direct access on your server, and you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same to save some time. It is just 9.57 MB in size. The website is going to be super fast, This is the lightweight theme and it got uploaded. We need to extract the uploaded file. Now the extraction outcome is this Melania folder, and that we got all the theme components, file and folders are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Now come to the theme section again, and now we have Melania as the another theme option. We can check the details. So this is the Melania version 1.5.3, and Melania is WordPress blog theme, flexible header and all such things are here. So now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert to install the necessary set of plugins. So definitely at this stage we need to install the necessary set of plugins, and in fact only one is required, rest are recommended only. So I am installing all the plugins in one go. Theme Rex, utilities and rest of plugins are here. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid an error. And all plugins has been installed and activated successfully, as you can see. So that is fine. And now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the Melania theme. And this is the basic look of theme without any demo content. Shop option is here. Now we can proceed for demo content so that we may get the website just like we seen in the demo website. So I'm just looking for the option of demo. Okay, somehow if you interact this page, just delete this portion and get the page reload. So under appearance section there is an option to install demo data. Now we have these options, only pages and whole demo site content, and since it is a fresh installation, so we have to choose whole demo. And in this whole demo, MailChimp for import MailChimp for WP, import WooCommerce. So I am just selecting all and start import option is here. So select all because we are going to create a WooCommerce option with, and MailChimp also here, and rest all are selected, checked. So just start import, and the import process is now on, and it will take a bit time because it imports media files as well, and media is going to take some time, and you have to keep patience here, and it is not taking much time in fact. So don't leave or refresh this page, it is a necessary activity, and just be on this page, wait until the process gets complete, and it is about to be complete now. And congratulations, the demo data is complete. Now we can visit site. And yes, this was wonderful process, and we got a wonderful website with this process, and it was really smooth. So I love Rex themes. So it is super smooth and easy to install. Even a child can do this, in fact. So no technical knowledge is required, and this video is only helping you to take your wise decision. And as you can see, the theme is loading so fast. So just clicks and the page gets load, and the shop option is also here, and I also imported the shop contents, so it is wonderful. And all home pages are also here, so you can select any home page as per your choice, as per your requirement. So nothing is remaining, just you need to put the original content, and now you will be up to go ahead. And it is really wonderful, no doubt. So you can select this theme without any doubt. I just strongly recommend, if you are in plan to make a website in this category, this is the theme for you, which can bring success for you, and you can simply choose and get ready with this theme. And now the time is to overview the theme panel and the customization options. So I'll show you all options what additional available in the WordPress. So these are the common options, and all are common options available, and we will just take a look of the theme Rex, social, install, demo data, theme Rex updater. Where is the theme panel? I assume it lies in the customize option. Theme Rex social is here. Okay, we can check. Okay, got access token, API Instagram is, so Instagram connectivity is here. Our demo data we have already checked. Theme Rex updater. So in the blog type website it is not so required. Theme editor is the common thing of WordPress itself. So this is not the way, and so it is final now that customization options should be in the appearance customize option. Let us check it. And here it is. So this is, these all options are here only. So this theme does not require any customization. In fact, just start putting the data and you are ready to go. But these are the options available. These are the general option, and socials are here. Social connectivity can be done from here. Menus are here. Widgets, header widgets, Melania slider. So Melania slider is here, and title, tagline, site icon, site title is here, and background, header, and you can change logo from here. It is important, so logo can be changed under header section. eCommerce option is here, additional CSS, content, boxed and all setup, sidebar, footer, home page. You can set the home page and the related widgets here, search results, single post, single page, and the shop itself. So all the elements for customization is available here only, and the theme is super easy to use. No need to have any specific technical knowledge. So we will take again another look of our website, what we got, and it is fine to go. So this is the heading of blog content itself, so it is coming from blog heading, and these are the options, page options. Okay, so we have completed the installation. I just forget to show you one thing, just in case you wish to edit this section. Let us say meet the editor, and definitely you are not you're going to use this image or this signature. So sidebar widgets, it has been controlled through sidebar widgets, and custom widgets are here. So you can edit all these things from custom widget section, and if you choose the widget, different widget, it will be changed just like here you can see. So and so all things are available in the widgets itself, and it is good. The theme is using widgets, and you can simply edit such things in the widget area. Under appearance section, I'll just show you a look, and these are the custom widgets. So like Melania meet me, this is the signature part, and all such things are here. So don't worry, you can edit it simply, and don't assume that this video is not showing the complete thing. Complete thing is here only, and you can handle all from widgets itself. The sidebar area can be controlled from widget. So now since we have completed the installation, now your work is to complete the website with the original set of content. And if you are having any question regarding the installation or customization of this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me. I am just giving the link of my website which you will navigate you to contact page and discussion thread page, and definitely you can get the theme pack there with the hosting solutions. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel. If not, please subscribe this, because I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you, along with the health tips of WordPress. So be in touch with me. Keep watching. Thank you.